A foot massage is the ultimate answer to good health. The ultimate multi-purpose massager. The Reflex Roller. As we age, our ankles, calves, and backs stiffen and exert pressure on our joints. Stretching is a simple and vital defense against the pain that this can often lead to. Another way to alleviate body aches is by stimulating points on the feet. Our feet are sometimes referred to as our second hearts because they contain pressure points, or tsubo, that correspond to all of our bodily systems. Through manipulation of these points, we can maintain better health. It is through these principles that the Reflex Roller offers a double dose of comfort and healing. With its various massage functions, the Reflex Roller can manipulate the whole of the foot and can also massage the calves, thighs, buttocks, and upper and lower back, thus bringing full body relief. And since massage increases blood flow, the Reflex Roller can also improve circulation, which brings with it a host of health benefits, including lower cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Feel refreshed with the Reflex Roller.